Hello everyone. In this Power BI session, we will discuss about what are the line charts and the donut charts and the pie charts. In Power BI Desktop, a line chart is a type of visualization that show data points connected by straight lines with the options for one or multiple lines. It features both x and y axes to represent the data. This line chart is utilized to represent the current trends or changes in data over time or to compare two data sets. It is also connects the multiple points using lines or segments and aids in analyzing and predicting the future market trends and the opportunities. These are commonly preferred over column chart by tracking data trends over time across multiple groups. Here you can see the line chart example. Now let's see how we can create the line chart in Power BI Desktop. So in Power BI Desktop, to create line chart, we will select the line chart from the visualization pane. So click on the line chart. So you can see the blank line chart. Now we will add the data to view the data in the line chart. So for this, I will add sales, shipping cost, and I will add profit based on the reason column. Okay, will show the line based on the reason column. So here you can see the preview of the line chart. Now if you will hover over any point of the line chart, it will show you the information like sum of sales, sum of shipping cost, and sum of profit based on the reason that is central. So this is how we can create the line chart in Power BI Desktop. Now move forward to our next chart. So our next chart we will discuss about donut chart. In Power BI Desktop, a donut chart is a visualization that represents the data in a circular format like a pie chart. We will discuss the pie chart in the that is our next topic. So we will discuss the pie chart. So in donut chart, it is a circular format with a hole in the center, which is not in the case of pie chart. It is a pie chart, also it called as a pie chart, which having the hole in the center. So it is a pie chart with a blank center, allowing for greater space utilization or the possibility of adding more information in the center. These are beneficial for showing the proportion of components to the whole, but they are more compact and easier to read when comparing numerous categories. These are widely used to visually represent the categorical data and compare the relative sizes of several parts. Now let's see how we can create the donut chart. So here you can see the donut chart, and from the visualization pane we will add the donut chart. Now it is a blank donut chart. We will add data to it to visualize the data in the donut chart. So I will select the sales column based on the customer segment. So here you can see based on the customer segment, it shows the data in the donut chart. And if you want to add any data in the center, you can add it here. So this is how the donut chart looks. This is how we can create a donut chart. Now let's move forward to the pie chart. So pie chart in Power BI Desktop is a type of visualization that displays the data in a circular format. It is similar to the donut chart, which each category or data series represented as a slice a pie. Each slice is proportional to the entire that it defines. Pie charts are often used to show the distribution of categorical data and the relationship between specific components and the whole. They are useful for visualizing simple comparisons and determining the relative significance of several categories in a dataset. Now let's see how we can create a pie chart in Power BI Desktop. So to create a pie chart in Power BI Desktop, we will add a pie chart to the page. So in the report page, we will add a pie chart and we will select the cells based on the, let's say, customer segment. So you can see the difference between the donut chart and the pie chart. So in the donut chart, the center is whole, but in pie chart, it is filled. So you can see the difference between the donut chart and the pie chart. So this is how we can create the pie chart, donut chart and the line chart. That's all for today. We will see you on next video where we will discuss about funnel chart, waterfall chart and gauge chart. Thank you so much.